Hey, what's up guys? It's me Solomon from Aisler. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna check out the installation and review of the latest OREO build of Atomic OS in our Redmi Note 3. Before jumping into the video, if you're first time here and it's your passion to flash custom ROMs in your smartphone, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for more updates from us. With that being said, let's jump in. Here we are again with our beloved Darkness Redefined and a new AOSP based ROM called Atomic OS. It's armed with a substratum just like D&D. Recently, we had a video on the OREO build of Atomic OS. There were some issues in that build. Now this is the latest build of Atomic OS 2.0 based on latest Android 8.1.0 OREO. So let's jump right into the video. The first step you need to do is to download the ROM file and GApps file. I have provided links down below in the description box, so do check out that and keep it in your smartphone. Now let's go flashing. For installation, we need to boot to TWRP recovery mode. For that, press and hold volume up and power until you see the MI logo. Now, as we know, for installing a new custom ROM, we need to wipe the phone. So I recommend you to take a backup of your current ROM. I have already done backing up the current ROM, so now select wipe, then advanced wipe, then now select everything except internal storage and microSD card. Now swipe to wipe, then select Now locate the Atomic OS ROM file, then swipe to confirm flash. The flashing will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient. Let's speed it up. After flashing, just select reboot to reboot your phone. Now the phone has been booted up. This ROM is not based on Lineage OS, it is based on AOSP. The Darkness team has more plans for it. They promised they will keep updating their sources. Now let's talk about some features of this ROM. This ROM provides almost all features like status bar customizations, navigation bar customizations. That means you can tweak the ROM as your preference. as this ROM excels in performance, you can't expect much battery life compared to other OREO ROMs out there. It's not the worst, but not the best either. I rarely got around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time on heavy usage. Talking about other functionalities like VOLTE, HD video calling, it is now fixed. In the previous build, it was not fixed, but in this build, the VOLTE is fixed now. Now let's talk about performance and stability. As I told you, this ROM excels in performance. That means, as you can see, the app opening animation and everything works just fine. In day-to-day usage, you will not get any bugs like lag or something like that. The ROM really performs well. The current build is still under beta version, that means you can expect some bugs. If you get any, let me know in the comment section. I already have a bug. When we try to pull down notification drawer, it will not go up by just swiping up. So by concluding, if you want most customizable OREO ROM with best performance and good battery life for your Redmi Note 3, this ROM is for you guys. There are some added features which are useful in this ROM. There is a pre-installed torch application that you can use that application to tweak your torch light. This ROM is not pre-rooted, so you can't use this application without root access. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like the video, please give us thumbs up. If you do want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any doubts, suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching. It's me, Solomon, signing off. See you guys soon.